Hi, I'm Ezio. Improper installation location of air source heat pump may lead to issues such as reduced efficiency, excessive noise, and water leakage. In several cases, machine fault may occur. Now, let's take a look at the correct installation method for heat pumps. During installation, the distance between the air inlet on the back of equipment and the wall or other obstacles must be at least 300 mm. There should be no obstructions within at least 2000 mm in front of the air outlet on the front of the equipment to prevent short-circuit backflow of cold or hot air. Because heat pumps operate by offspring heat from the air, poor ventilation will lead to reduced efficiency or even malfunctions. So, when installing, make sure to avoid enclosed spaces. Definitely can't install it in tight, solid indoor corners or poorly ventilated areas. Open balconies and rooftops are good choices for installation. The installation location of heat pumps should be as far away as possible from rest areas, such as bedrooms, studios, offices, and other areas that require maintenance. This is because heat pumps generate a certain amount of noise during operation, which affect living comfort and may even cause complaints from neighborhoods or users. The installation location must have dedicated drainage channel, such as 4G. During the heating and defrosting process of the heat pump, the evaporator will produce condensed water. When installing an air source heat pump, it is essential to make sure that the equipment foundation is firm and solid. Concrete foundations of mounting brackets can be used to fix the heat pump main units. The main unit should be placed stably, adjusted to upright position, and firmly fixed with expansion bolts. If the main unit is not installed evenly, it will affect the smooth discharge of condensed water. After the heat pump is installed, sufficient space should be reserved around the heat pump unit to facilitate late maintenance. We believe you have mastered correct installation method for heat pumps. Follow us and we will share more practical tutorials in the future. See you next time!